I don't know if you've ever seen these silicone mats, but if you're somebody who uses a flat iron on a daily basis or a curling iron and you worry about it possibly, I don't know, burning the floor or catching something on fire, once you unplug it and you want it to cool down, or if you travel often, it's a good pointer. If you travel and for work and you have to, check out of your hotel room really fast and go to the airport, and you've just finished straightening or curling your hair, this is a really great tool. And I'm going to call it a tool because, one, you can lay anything hot on it. It's like a cooking mat almost. And it doesn't hurt on the other side. Maybe eventually it would. But two, and I have it on right now, you can wrap it up. I'm not saying leave it on if you do this, but wrap it up and go like that, and boom, just set it down. You don't have to worry about it burning the floor or burning through something once it's unplugged.